Hey, I'm gonna show you how to remove the AC line valve without removing the AC gas. So you're gonna use that kind of tools. That's so very good tools. It comes with spare brand new valves. So this is for the low pressure side. This is for the high pressure side. So you can use for the, if you have a refrigeration type, it's different. So you have the adapters, those two, and most common 134A, 134. That's for the, you can use another also. So I'm gonna show you how to use it. It's very simple. So you're gonna grab this. So they're connected to the blue color is the low pressure side. Directly you can connect it easily. Push it and self lock. Yeah, like that. So you should keep it always this valve is open position. So you're gonna push it down and really remove. Then once you remove, you pull it up. After, don't forget, you need to close the valve. So the refrigerants blocking only top here, but you can remove this part from here. You're gonna remove this part. So after, you will get your old valve, the whatever the leak. So after that, you can remove this is from here. Then install the new one. It's the same as here. Yeah, install the new, and you will be put it back and tight it. Then you're gonna open this, and after, push it down and tight it. Then once the tight, you are done. You can remove this. You already replaced the new valve.